In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join a meeting in Microsoft Teams step by step. Whether you're preparing for a virtual team meeting, a client presentation, or a casual catch-up with coworkers, these steps will guide you seamlessly. Let's get started by opening up your preferred web browser. Begin by typing Microsoft Teams into the search bar on Google. This should lead you to the official site where you can access the application. Once there, the next step is to click on the Sign In button, usually located at the top right corner of the page. Enter your login credentials to access your account. This will be the email and password associated with your Microsoft Teams account. If you've forgotten your password, there is an option to reset it, so don't worry too much. Now that you're logged into Microsoft Teams, you'll need to locate the meeting invitation that you've received. On your dashboard, there will be a request option. This is where all your meeting requests are gathered. Find the invitation to the specific meeting you intend to join and click on it to open the request. After you've opened your meeting request, the next step is to click Accept. By doing so, you're letting the meeting organizer know that you'll be attending. This is a helpful courtesy to ensure your attendance is noted. It's also a good idea to keep a record of your meetings. This brings us to the next important task, adding the meeting to your calendar. Just click the Add to Calendar button, which not only helps you remember the meeting, but also synchronizes it with your digital schedule. This step is actually listed twice. Sometimes you'll need to confirm it more than once, so just go ahead and ensure it's successfully added by clicking on Add to Calendar again if prompted. Once your meeting is on the calendar, a helpful thing to do is to view the event details. This is crucial as it contains all the necessary information about the meeting, such as the agenda, attendees, and any pre-meeting materials you might need to review. To do this, simply click on View Event Details. Now, when it's time to join the meeting, you'll want to locate the option that says Click here to join the meeting. You can find this typically within the Event Details section. Clicking on this link will direct you to the Microsoft Teams meeting interface. Here, you'll see a Join Now button that you'll need to click to participate actively in the meeting, and there you have it, a full walkthrough on how to join a meeting in Microsoft Teams. By following these steps, you can ensure that you're prepared and present for your upcoming virtual meetings. Thank you for watching, and I hope you find this guide helpful for your future collaborations.